Dad still talking?
Yeah.
All right, it's Aiden, Mom, and Dad still. When we're here to show you Super Mario Uno. Super Mario card game. What's that say?
Includes special Mario rule.
All right. We have the front, side, other side, top, bottom, and the back. What do you say we open it up and see what kind of cards are inside, buddy?
Good idea.
All right, here we go. Wow. You can keep them wrapped up, keep them nice, huh?
And here's the instruction booklet.
All right.
Let's open up the first one.
You want a sharp knife? Are you okay?
I got it this time.
Okay. You have pretty good luck opening those with your little fingernails. And usually rip them up.
There we go.
Look at that. I love Mario. Don't you?
Yeah.
It's a Mario and a Luigi. It's a me, a Mario.
Hey, Dad, can you let me focus?
Okay. My, oh my. Hot out there today, buddy. It zaps the energy right out of you. It's a good thing Dad watered my flowers this morning, huh? Awful warm out there.
There we go.
Beautiful. Oh.